Hey guys, today is July 1st, which means that we're flying up to Pennsylvania to start this trek and journey. It's currently 4:22. Our flight takes off exactly 4 hours from now. So I just finished packing. Let me show you what's going on and a little peek into this whole thing getting started. It's crazy that this is finally happening. Luckily, I managed to fit everything that I need in this one bag, which is perfect. I have my clothes in the bottom portion here, and then snacks, content, gear, just some like basic stuff, whatever, toiletries, etc. And then, oh, I'll have like these cables as well. And then over here, I'm packing like necessary tools that I'm checking. So I'm gonna check this bag. And then I have like a change of shoes and of course the Volkswagen Bible. My co-driver is also gonna have some tools, so we're gonna move it over, put all of our tools into this bag, check it, because we're so limited on space in the Gia, so that's where we're at. I really can't believe this is finally happening. We've been talking about doing this for so long, and the date kind of kept getting pushed back just because both Earl and my schedules are constantly crazy, but we're finally making it happen, so let's go head to the airport. Oh my god, no brakes. Absolutely no brakes. We learn. Okay, so first update. 1 mile into drive has no brakes. Remember to check your brake fluid.
Stretch it. Drive it to your fucking new favorite parts store.
Yeah, the AutoZone.
Look at this shit.
This is where we encourage you after you replace the brake fluid and bleed the brakes to also adjust the shoes. Okay, you guys, so first update is that we should have been almost to the Maryland border by now, and we're still basically a mile from our starting point. As soon as we started, we had no brakes, so we just drove through downtown Scranton with absolutely no brakes. Had to physically run to AutoZone to get some brake fluid, refilled that so we could drive it a mile, and then just had to replace some brake lines, like hosing, brake fluid, pumped the brakes, bled the brakes, all that good stuff. And now we are finally about to start our journey. We're gonna do a lap around the block just to make sure, and then get on the actual route to get this thing going.